this video, we try to explain all the details about this hotel, like location, landmark, reviews, amenities of the hotel, and room category and facilities also. As you can see on the screen, property location, and there is the nearby attractions and landmark also. You can find lots of reviews and rating numbers online that are given by guests to enjoy their stay. Its review rating is 10.0, which is the exceptional. A set of FAQs is now displayed on your screen, which may address many of your basic questions about this topic. You can see on the review details like room size, bed size, room views, amenities, facilities, and images, etc. We talk about amenities of this property, so you can see on the screen our guests will be required to present photo ID at check-in. The property accepts major credit cards and reserves the right to temporarily hold an amount prior to arrival. Online for this property along with various plans and payment policies. If you are planning to book it, you can do so through the link provided in the description for this.